students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today, let me read the chapter number 16 of SST, Landforms of the Earth. यानी कि पृथ्वी पर कि लैंडफॉर्म्स मतलब तरह तरह की जो लैंड है, जो भूमि है, जो धरती है, उसके बारे में. There are differences in elevation and slope of various landforms, both at the global level and the local level. So the surface of the earth is neither even nor regular. In other words, the surface of the earth is varied. अब आपने देखा होगा, अब यहाँ पे देखो कुछ पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं. डिफरेंट लैंड फॉर्म्स ऑफ द अर्थ. पृथ्वी पर कितनी तरह की लैंड यानी कि भूमि है, जमीनें हैं, है ना. तो उसी के बारे में हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे. So you can see different landforms. How are these landforms made? There is movement under the earth's surface. The plates are driven by the heat of the layers below them. When these plates crash into each other, the different landforms that you see around you, the mountains, plateaus and other relief features are formed on the surface of the earth. तो क्या बात हो रही है कि कहीं पे पठार है, कहीं पे पहाड़ है, कहीं पे मैदानी इलाका है, कहीं पे पानी है. तो डिफरेंट तरह की जो यहाँ पे लैंड है. Have you ever thought why there are no mountains in Kolkata or no desert in Delhi? कभी आपने सोचा है कि कलकत्ता में पहाड़ क्यों नहीं है या दिल्ली में वो क्यों नहीं है रेगिस्तान? Why does the earth surface differ from place to place? है ना, हर जगह पे अपनी अलग अलग. अब जैसे आप उधर यूके की उत्तराखंड की तरफ चले जाइए, उधर पहाड़ है, इधर जहां हम रहते हैं मैदानी इलाका है. So just as there are movements within the earth's interior, there are movements on the surface of the earth too. All these movements or processes work together upon our earth to create the different landforms or relief features that we see around us. So these processes are of two types. अब ये दो टाइप के प्रोसेस होते हैं कि जब मतलब लैंड फॉर्म अलग अलग होते हैं. एंडोजेनिक और इंटरनल प्रोसेसेस सच एज अर्थक्वेक एंड वोल्केनोस व्हिच एक्ट सडनली. ठीक है. और एक्सोजेनिक और एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेस सच एज विंड, रेन एंड आइस व्हिच एक्ट स्लोली. है ना. सो द लैंडफॉर्म्स क्रिएटेड बाय द इंटरनल प्रोसेसेस are further modified by external processes. The external force act in two ways, causing deposits or the process of leaving a layer of material carried by rivers, oceans, currents and wind on rocks or soil and erosion, or the process of wearing down of the land surface by water. So ice and wind. A rock is formed when its sides are eroded or washed away by the action of rain water. So the sand dune is formed by the buildup or deposit of sand which has been carried by the wind. The landforms on the earth's surface are mainly classified into three types: mountains, plateaus and plain. Now we will talk about first mountain. The mountains are the most striking of all landforms. A mountain should have steep slopes, sharp edges and a peak of peaks. है ना, बहुत ऊंचा चौड़ा और बहुत ही ऊंची ऊंची चोटियां इसमें होती हैं. Mountains rarely stand alone. They are generally found in a long chain of range. है ना. आप देखोगे कि कहीं पे आपको एक अकेला पहाड़ नहीं दिखाई देगा, एक श्रृंखला होती है, उनकी पूरी चेन होती है. एक पहाड़, दूसरा पहाड़, तीसरा पहाड़, है ना. So they form 20% of the land surface. हमारे जो उस पे है पृथ्वी पे 20% जो है क्या है, पहाड़ है. टाइप्स ऑफ माउंटेन्स. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ माउंटेन बेस्ड ऑन हाउ दे वर फॉर्म. 3 तरह के क्या होते हैं पहाड़. सबसे पहले फोल्ड माउंटेन्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. फोल्ड माउंटेन्स आर फॉर्म ड्यू टू द कोलिजन ऑफ द अर्थ्स टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स. है ना. The land in between is pushed up due to pressure to form a fold mountain. It results in a wave-like formation. They are made of sedimentary rock layer. The next one is The upfold or anticline is the fold mountain. The downfold or syncline is the valley. Thus, two landforms are created here. Fold mountains and valleys. The Himalayas are fold mountains that were formed when the inner plate collided with the Eurasian plate. Next one is Dal Lake. You have Dal Jheel. In Kashmir is a lake within the Himalayan range. The Aravalli range in India and the Alps in Europe are fold mountains too. Next one, Block Mountain. Block mountains are formed when two plates pushing against each other causes pressure to pull, resulting in a fracture. These fractures are commonly called faults. So, these result in displacement of the land surface. These cracks may break the crust of the earth into blocks. When a block of land slips down or is thrown up, block mountains are formed. The uplifted section is called a host. These represent the block mountain. The cliff-like slope formed as a result is called a scarp or escarpment. The down-thrown blocks are called Rift Valley. The Vosges in France are block mountains. The down-thrown block is covered by the river Rhine. Volcanic mountains. What is volcanic mountains? वही जहाँ पे ज्वालामुखी होता है. Volcanic mountains are cone shaped mountain. कौन shape होती है इनकी? Which are formed by volcanoes. Lava and gases are thrown up by a vent in the earth surface. उसमें से ऐसे लावा निकलता है और ऐसे फैलता है फिर. This lava often solidifies and forms a mountain around the vent. The top of such a mountain often has a crater, a bowl-shaped depression. ठीक है? Do you know how volcanoes are formed? When two plates push against each other. जब two plates जो है एक दूसरे को push करती है ना, one plate may be forced under the other. In such a case, part of the forced plate may melt, creating magma. On finding a weak spot or crack on the earth surface, the magma pushes out through the vent when two plates pull away from each other. The may also provide a vent for the molten magma to come out. Mount Fuji. The highest mountain in Japan is an example of a volcanic mountain on the earth's surface. Mauna Kea in Hawaii is another example of a volcanic mountain. It is the highest mountain in the world. From the bottom of the sea flow to its peak about 10,000 meters. Why are mountains important? Mountains are important because they form an ecosystem wherever they occur. है ना? People depend on them for many reasons. Why? One, the forest in the mountains provide timber and wood products for daily use. वो बहुत use में आते हैं. Mountains are also a source of minerals. These are centers of biodiversity where various kinds of plants and animals live together. Mountains attract tourists and thus provide jobs for lots of people and earn revenue. क्योंकि वहाँ पे क्या होता है, अर्निंग सिस्टम तो कुछ होता नहीं है, वहाँ पे कोई उद्योग वगैरह तो होते नहीं है. तो जब टूरिस्ट प्लेस बनते हैं, यहाँ के लोग जब घूमने जाते हैं तो उनकी अच्छी इनकम हो जाती है ना. The Himalayan mountains act as a barrier and prevent the icy cold winds of the north from entering our country. So this affects our climate and makes it warm. Many rivers like the Ganga originate in the mountains and are fed by the mountain glaciers, so they provide water around the year. Plateaus, यानी कि पठार. A plateau is a broad and level stretch of land which rises abruptly from the adjoining areas. They are also called tablelands because plateaus are flat and without any relief. Nearly 45% of the land surface is covered by plateau, है ना, पठार से घिरा हुआ है. Some plateaus such as the Tibetan plateau extend over thousands of kilometers. So types of plateaus, there are three types of plateaus based on their formation. Number one, intermontane plateaus. Intermontane plateaus are high plateaus surrounded by mountains. So these are formed by the same tectonic process of folding over the years. The downfalls get filled with material brought down by rivers from the mountains, which gives the area of a flat appearance. Examples include the plateau of Tibet, which is the highest intermontane plateau in the world, and the Mexican plateau in the North America. Lava plateaus. Lava plateaus are formed by the lava that flows from the vents of volcanoes, है ना, ज्वालामुखी से जो लावा निकलता है उससे जब वो निकलता है ना फिर बाद में वो ड्राई हो जाता है उससे. However, there is no accumulation in the case and the lava flows of hundreds of kilometers. However, the thickness of the flow may be up to hundreds of meters only. So, while the surface is flat, there are canyons and valleys. The Deccan Plateau in India was formed in a similar manner. The Columbia Plateau covers about 5 lakh square kilometer of the Earth's surface. It is a lava plateau with one of the largest accumulation of lava in the world. Crustal plateaus. Crustal plateaus are formed when the magma below the lithosphere pushes the crust on top but is unable to break through. As a result, the entire flattened surface above it is uplifted. This forms a crustal or continental plateau. The high plateaus of East Africa and Ethiopia were formed this way. Why are plateaus important? Plateaus are useful in many ways. जो पठार इलाके होते हैं वो क्यों हमारे लिए इतने लाभदायक हैं? Most plateaus are rich in mineral resources. The Chota Nagpur plateau in India is rich in coal. छोटा सबसे ज्यादा कोयला वहाँ पे बनता है. Mica, iron ore and other minerals. Many plateau regions are suitable for cultivation. For example, the Deccan Plateau contains black soil. काली मिट्टी वहाँ पे मिलती है ना? Which is excellent for the cultivation of cotton. काली मिट्टी में ही होता है ना cotton. Waterfalls found on the steep slopes of plateau attract tourists. The waterfalls on these plateaus are often used for hydroelectric power. A good example is the Jog Falls in India. Okay, now we will talks about the plains. Plains यानी जो हमारे मैदानी इलाके हैं. The plains are low and relatively flat areas on the Earth's surface. These may extend from a few to thousands of kilometers, such as the Indo-Gangetic plains of India. Plains cover 1/3 of the Earth's land surface and are found on every continent except Antarctica. So, these are formed by the depositional and erosional activities of external forces such as rivers and their tributaries. Types of plains. There are 3 types of plains. 3 तरह के होते हैं. कौन कौन से? Now first is tectonic plains. Tectonic plains are formed by international forces causing uplift of sea. So coasts such as the low-lying coastal plains of the Malabar coast along the western sea coast of India. Erosional plains. Erosional plains are formed when the action of rivers, glaciers and wind erode higher levels of land for years to form जो है flat plains. The interior plains of Canada have been downcut by erosion. Depositional plains. Depositional plain are formed by the accumulation of deposits. These are of many kinds. Alluvial plains are formed by the deposition of sediment by rivers, which accumulate over time, such as the Indo-Gangetic plain. Till plains found in North America and Europe have been formed by glacier deposits of clay, sand, gravel and boulders carried by ice. Wind action accumulates sent to form desert plains such as the Sahara Desert. Why are plains important? Among all landforms, plains are most valuable of humans. That is why they have become densely populated and are the centers of industry, transportation and business river plains have also been the centers of ancient civilization. This is because, so water the basic need for living being is easily available in the plains, है ना, पानी बहुत आसानी से मिल जाता है. So the level land helps in building houses, roads and railways. The rivers too can be used for transportation, है ना. जो प्लेन एरिया होता है वहाँ पे सड़कें, ट्रेवल करना, रेल, ट्रेन की जो पटरी, मतलब ये चीज़ें बहुत इजी हो जाती हैं यहाँ पे प्लेन एरिया में. फर्टाइल सॉइल ऑफ प्लेन्स आर सुटेबल फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. तो सबसे ज़्यादा खेती जहाँ प्लेन एरिया होता है वहीं पे होती है क्योंकि वो सुटेबल होती है. ओके, सो these are the topics are covered in this chapter. I hope you all are very well enjoyed it and understand also. So we will see you next class. Thank you.